Our voice has to go to Delhi. Our voice has to go to the Supreme Court. Our voice has to go to BJP party in Delhi. My dear friends, రాజ్యాంగంలో క్లియర్ గా ఉంది. Preamble of the Constitution says social justice, political justice and economic justice. My lord, in the Supreme Court, you read the Constitution and you observe what is there in the Constitution. Constitution today, Supreme Court ఏదైతే వర్డిక్ట్ మనకి ఇస్తుందో, హైకోర్టు ఏదైతే వర్డిక్ట్ ఏదైతే ఇస్తుందో, that is all dictated by BJP. BJP party is anti-Dalit, anti-BC, anti-women, anti-reservation. Our problem, 42% we are asking for is a constitutional right. Indian democracy talks about representative democracy. Is a reservation kaadu, is a representation, is my right for getting reservation at all levels, parliament, assembly and local bodies. We have to interpret the Constitution. Constitution talks about welfare. Whose welfare? Poor people's welfare. Constitution talks about equality. Whose equality? It is the equality of the BCs and SCs. Constitution talks about equity. ప్రపంచంలో ఇంత పెద్ద మంచి కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఎక్కడా లేదు. But the problem is with implementation. We are telling the Supreme Court and we are telling the BJP party, we want to know our representation in all levels, including the Supreme Court reservation. We are entitled. Only then this problem can be solved. ఇంతమంది వాళ్ళు వచ్చినారు కాబట్టి this is the only movement today in the country. 42% reservation, 42% reservation at all levels we want. In judiciary, in defense, in local bodies, in education, in employment, in scientific fields. Only then Ambedkar dreams will be fulfilled. Ambedkar talked about equal opportunity for very well. 80 years are over, my dear friends. 80 years of democracy. Still there is oppression in this country, suppression in this country. Still Dalits are humiliated, BCs are humiliated. That is why this is a self-respect fight. This is a constitutional fight. And we have to fight for equality and equal rights.